We have a welcome guest from the 1900s. Guess who he is? Nikola Tesla. Please welcome Nikola Tesla to the stage.
I'm honored to be here, Jeremy Powers.
Have you made any discoveries concerning math?
I have. I spent a lot of my time discovering a plethora of abnormal things.
You have said the secret of the universe lies in 3, 6, and 9. Why?
If you bisect a circle and then add the degrees and add each of the degrees digits, you always get 9. If you add single digits from 1 to 9 and add each digit, you always get the number you added to 9.
Is there anything special about you?
Me, the quilted-born engineer, spoke 8 languages fluently. Almost single-handedly developed technology that harnessed the power of electricity for household use and invented things like electrical generators, FM radio, remote controls, robots, spark plugs, fluorescent lights, and giant machines that shoot enormous brain-frying lightning bolts all over the place like crazy. I had a photographic memory and an insane ability to visualize even the most complex things of machinery. I did advanced calculus and physics equations in my head, memorized entire books at a time, and successfully pulled up scientific experiments that modern-day technology still can't replicate. For instance, in 2007, a group of NASA geniuses at MIT got all pumped out of their minds because they wirelessly transmitted energy a distance 7 feet through the air. I once lit 200 light bulbs from power source 26 miles away, and I did it in 1899 with a machine I built from spare parts in the middle of the desert. To this day, nobody can really figure out how I pulled that stuff out because 2/3 of the schematics only existed in the darkest recesses of my brain.
There must be someone who spurred your interest in electrical inventions. Who influenced you?
My interest in electrical invention was spurred by my mother, Juka Amandik, who invented small household appliances in her spare time while I was growing up.
We know that your inventions are so complicated and change the world. How did you impact the world with your inventions?
I invented modern innovation as we know it. I invented Edison's so-called light bulb, the X-ray. Someone used 17 of my patents, making the radar, and I made spear lightning, alternating current, a ball of lightning that hovers 7 feet slowly, which scientists can't replicate.
How were you born and how did you die?
My inventions were the backbone of modern power and communication systems, but I faded into obscurity later in the 20th century, which is the 1900s, when most of my inventions were lost to history. Despite my many patents and innovations, I was born when I died in 1943. I was born in a lightning storm. My maid said I would be a child of darkness. My mother said, no, he will be a child of light.
Thank you for presenting us the details about you and your impacts. We truly think you are a mover and shaker.
You're welcome. Now, back to heaven.
Oh, dude, my goal was in there. We know that your inventions are so... I made a mistake. Okay. We know